Hey guys, we'll do an unboxing video. This box was actually sent in by one of our subscribers, Jeff, who I've talked to quite a few times via email and on Instagram and stuff. But I have opened it, so I already know what it is. But I just thought it was kind of cool that got something in the mail, and it was something that we were talking about that I've never seen in Canada. Obviously, you probably could buy it in Canada. I just never seen it here. And maybe that's just because I was never looking for it. But I do appreciate it. Thanks, Jeff. Thanks for sending this over for me. We'll give her a whirl and see if I like it. If I like it, maybe I'll see about getting some more of it. And what it is a PB blaster. Like I said in a couple of my videos, I've never used it before. But well, I know lots of guys seem to say that it's a really good product. So we'll give her a whirl. I'll try it on some stuff, and maybe we'll do a comparison. If I can find some stuff that's really crusty, we'll try a comparison between this and the couple other stuff that I use. But anyway, I do appreciate it, Jeff. Thanks for sending that down for us. And we'll give her a whirl. See how it works on the old Canadian Rust. All right, thanks guys.